This is Amelia Smith on behalf of Expert Village, and we'll be talking about the care and styling of curly hair. First, I'm going to apply the cream gel to Lauren's hair, and I'm just going to scrunch that in. And what scrunching is when you take your hands and just basically push the hair up towards your scalp. So what you're doing is you're creating that wave in the hair. You're pushing that curl in. So someone with relatively wavy hair can actually get spiral curls out of their hair if they do this enough. So I'm applying the cream gel, and I'm fairly generous with my product. And then I'm going to apply the spray gel. And again, the spray gel is going to give more support, whereas the cream gel is going to bundle those curls together, giving it definition. Because that's what you're looking for with a curly hairstyle, is the defined curl. Because when you don't have the defined curl, then that's when you have that big, bushy look. So again, you can see how that cream gel really does define that. And then here's the spray gel. So you see already her curls have livened up just by doing that.